Hello and welcome everyone back to another video. My name is DJ Khaled and we're back with another drip video. Why? Because honestly, going through all Binance Smart Chain, there is nothing that is more important. Going through all, right now we are in a bear market. Bitcoin is down to 45k. It's down 10% from where it was like a few days ago, guys. But one thing is only going up, one thing is only blowing up, right? It is drip, the whole drip ecosystem. Right, not financial advice, but I just wanted to make a quick update video from the video that I made before that went kind of viral on this channel. If you guys did miss it, I'm gonna leave it in the top left or top right where it spoke about the Manor Farm. But today we are giving you guys an update about what is going on with the Manor Farm. First of all, I have been grinding since that day that I have posted about the Manor Farm. I have been non-stop compounding my plants every single day. My time percentage is looking good. And I still don't know what is the fertilizer bonus. You guys can let me know in the comments below what is the fertilizer bonus, but I just wanted to let you guys know, do not miss out on this, right? This is a long-term farm. These are farms we all know are very risky, right? They give you higher yields, but they're very risky. But this one, to do with the drip ecosystem, it all connects, it all makes sense. It's all actually very low risk and high reward. You don't get this anywhere else. Why? Because of the tokenomics of these contracts, the tokenomics of drip. The ecosystem, it actually is designed super well to make it very sustainable, to make it very long life, to make it scarce. On top of that, the fact that it's DeFi, so things are actually going, so it's actually deflationary. The more that people use it, every time you buy, you sell, you compound, there's a tax there that you get taxed, right? It's a small tax. Then it always means that there will always be burning of these tokens. But today I just wanted to update you guys about the Manor Farm. If you guys don't know what's the Manor Farm, it is basically part of the Drip.community, the whole drip faucet. Again, guys, I 100% recommend it, but it's not financial advice. You can make your own decision. Contact your own financial advisor to make your decisions. But I'm telling you what I do, which I recommend as well. Not financial, this is for educational purpose that you don't want to miss out. I do, I would go for both being in the faucet because it gives you a very consistent 1% a day. It will never be anything other than that. It's consistent, super low risk, super high reward. Technically 1% a day is absolutely well. On top of that, you can literally compound your 1% every single day, right? Your 1% actually will become bigger and bigger and bigger. So this is exponential growth. As you take your 1%, put it back in. So the next day your 1% is actually slightly smaller, and through time it will exponentially grow in value, right? So I can turn my, making $30 a day. By the end of the year, I can turn it into like making $300 a day. You know what I mean? And on top of that, the price of drip is going up, guys. As we speak today, it is at $65, right? But right now it's actually on a low. This is a low, right? This is actually on a low because of the Manor Farm. So actually some people sold out a lot of their drip to get into the Manor Farm. But the whole point is you want to be on both. You want to keep taking advantage of both sides, right? For me, I put in fresh cash in the Manor Farm so I can keep my progress going in the drip. Other than that, guys, what actually is new with the Manor Farm? If we go to the farms, it is the REV token. The REV token that will be for 14 days, right? It's for 14 days and then that's it. You cannot buy it or sell it. You can only move it to the layer 2 token, which will be either the dog and the pig, and there might be more, I'm not really sure, but correct me if I'm wrong. Why is there hype about the REV token for 14 days? Well, because with REV tokens you'll be able to buy 20% cheaper with REV token to buy the dog token and to buy the pig token, etc., and the other governance tokens out there in the layer 2 Manor Farm. So it all might sound super complicated, and actually it was literally complicated for me, literally less than 24 hours. But thankfully we have a very lovely community, people on the Telegram. They're absolutely super helpful. And on top of that, there's 2 Telegrams actually. There's one specifically for the Manor Farm and there's one for the drip, which I'm going to leave the link in the description for. But yeah, guys, if we move to the chart and look at the REV token, right, this is actually slightly a lot of people did lose kind of money on it because there was a pre-sale that ended literally in a couple of seconds that it got filled, and the REV token actually flew up all the way to peak at $260, right? And then it immediately sold because people who made their profits immediately sold. Guys, you could have people who because people who got in the pre-sale, they have gotten a crazy start. I think it was like from an $8 or $10 price all the way to $260. So they made a quick 30x, quick 20x, 26x, and they sold immediately. And then, but people, you know, they're trying to foam in, so they bought midway through that pump, and a lot of people sold. But what's the next best thing, to be honest, is to buy the dips. As you guys can see, I bought 3 dips, and right now I'm actually putting my REV tokens in the safe house, just to do the safest thing. Obviously, I know the other farms, such as the REV WBNB or the REV BUSD, can give more yields, but I kind of want to go the simplest way, the safer way. I kind of want to go the simplest way, where, you know, I can easily, you know, with no taxes, I can easily put in the safe house, put it out at any time, and, you know, sell immediately. But guys, the plan definitely is to stack as much REV as you can, so that you can buy the layer 2 tokens very cheaply with your REV tokens. And the next thing is compound your Manor Farm, because this gives you 3% a day, guys. 3% a day, right? I just also wanted to show you quickly this Excel sheet that you can play around with. I'm gonna leave the link of it in the description. If you can download for free, you can literally do whatever you want, right? This is the chart where you can amend this, where it can either simulate your faucet gains or your Manor Farm gains. Right now I'm gonna put it at Manor Farm gains, which is roughly 3% a day, nothing more than 3% obviously, but 5% tax, 10% deposit. But right now, if we quickly go to my drip garden, I've been compounding so much that you know, I kind of gained value. Right now I have 52 plants, which, let's just say they cost around 25 average each plant. So 52 times 25, that's around $1,300 worth. And remember, guys, I actually started from literally $200, right? And in just around a month, I've turned it into this type of value, because drip price is also going up, so it's helping with your profits. So 1,300. That means I'm making around $35 a day. But at the end of this month, I'll be making around $79 a day, right? This is the power of compounding every single day. But what I'm personally doing, I'm compounding as soon as I see that plants to 1, which is when you're allowed to recompound. As soon as I see that plant turn into 1, I'm going to immediately compound it. And obviously in the future, maybe it becomes 2 plants a day, 3 plants a day, etc. But I just want to let you guys know the power of compounding. Please, if you're new to drip, right, I'm going to make a new video very soon. Just subscribe and stay tuned. I'm going to make a new video that's very beginner friendly about drip faucet. But I just want to let you guys know, if you are new to drip and if you're new to the Manor Farm, you're kind of confused with everything and you need kind of a beginner video, this is not the video for you. But I want you to stay tuned. Subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be making a video that is beginner friendly to talk about the drip faucet, which gives you 1% a day guaranteed. It's a super low risk. A lot of people are on this. The price right now is actually on a low, 66 per drip. This can get to $200 per drip, $300 per drip. We're talking in 2022. Obviously, this is not financial advice. I want you to do your research. In the meantime, before I make a video tutorial, a beginner video that speaks about how the drip works and how it's sustainable. And I'm also going to make a video about the Manor Farm and how to get into it, the latest updates, the best strategies about the Manor Farm, which gives you 3% daily. Now this is slightly higher risk, but we all know the guy behind this, the Forex, he's super smart. He is making the best, most sustainable projects because of his tokenomics, and he is literally taking advantage of the DeFi system with the scarcity of the tokens and stuff like that. So this guy's an absolute genius, and I truly believe like this is one of the best projects of 2022. You guys already know DAOs are on the uptrend along with metaverse, you know what I mean? You don't want to miss out on this, not financial advice. But guys, that'll be it for the video. Hope you guys are excited for drip in the future. The price can absolutely skyrocket from here. It's 2020. It'll be a crazy year for both of us, hopefully. Other than that, guys, if you enjoyed this video, you can support me in multiple different ways. You can like the video, comment, tell me, are you in the Manor Farm? Are you in the faucet? Are you, or else are you new here? Other than that, you can subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you another time. My name is DJ Khaled, and bye bye.